Sandra Day O'Connor was an American attorney, politician, and jurist who served as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States from 1981 to 2006. Nominated by President Ronald Reagan, O'Connor was the first woman to serve as U.S. Supreme Court Justice. A moderate conservative, she was considered a swing vote. Before O'Connor's tenure on the court, she was an Arizona state judge and earlier an elected legislator in Arizona, serving as the first female majority leader of a state Senate as the Republican leader in the Arizona Senate. Upon her nomination to the court, O'Connor was confirmed unanimously by the United States Senate. O'Connor usually sided with the court's conservative bloc, but on occasion, she sided with the court's liberal members. She often wrote concurring opinions that sought to limit the reach of the majority holding. Her majority opinions in landmark cases like Grutter v. Bollinger and Hamdi v. Rumsfeld, and then again in 2000, she wrote in part the per curiam majority opinion in Bush v. Gore, and in 1992 was one of three co-authors of the lead opinion in Planned Parenthood v. Casey that preserved legal access to abortion in the United States. On July 1st, 2005, O'Connor announced her retirement, effective upon the confirmation of a successor. At the time of her death, O'Connor was the last living member of the Burger Court. Samuel Alito was nominated to take her seat in October 2005 and joined the Supreme Court on January 31st, 2006. During her term in the court, O'Connor was regarded as among the most powerful women in the world. After retiring, she succeeded Henry Kissinger as the Chancellor of the College of William and Mary. In 2009, she was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom by President Barack Obama. Also in 2009, Justice O'Connor was interviewed as part of C-SPAN's Supreme Court Week. She talked about the role the Founding Fathers envisioned for the Supreme Court. She also talked about the judicial collars that female justices wear, the robing room, and oral argument. The interview took place in the West Conference Room of the Supreme Court. Justice Sandra Day O'Connor, again nominated by President Ronald Reagan, served as justice until 2006, and she was preceded by Justice Potter Stewart and succeeded by Justice Alito. Now let's take a listen to Sandra Day O'Connor in her own words in the C-SPAN interview from 2009.